Hello and welcome to our Germ how-to video. My name is Christa and today we will be going over battery installation for the UVL 1003 and UVL 1006. When you receive a light from Germ, you'll get the batteries and the light. Open up the light package and unscrew the end. Next, remove the battery cartridge from the light. The battery cartridge has 3 springs. The negative side, or flat end of the battery, will go against this spring. You will have 2 batteries facing in one direction and the third battery facing in the opposite direction.
Okay.
Next, you'll notice that there is an arrow on the battery pack. This arrow goes inside the light, pointing towards the LEDs. Next, screw the bottom part back onto the light. Make sure that both ends are tightly secured. Your light will now work.